The news about how the sports day was celebrated in your school.
Last Sunday there was special day for us in our school because our school organized the sports day on that day, and there were many games to being participated. Games are volleyball, cricket, football, long jump, short jump, etc. Students participated in their selected games. Then there was tough competition, and our city's mayor was chief. At the end of the session, he gave the prize to all the winners and appreciated all of them, and delivered a small speech and motivated us a lot. And our principal thanked to chief guest to being present there.
Give me the report about Swachhata Abhiyan held in your school.
Last Saturday there was special day for us in our school because our school organized Swachhata Abhiyan on that day. There all the students were divided into total 3 groups. The one group was handled by 3 teachers. First group cleaned the building of school, second group cleaned the campus of the school, and the third group cleaned the garden of the school as well as surrounding areas of the school. It took total 4 hours to us. Then the chief officer was the chief guest. He appreciated all the work and delivered a small speech and told to us that make people aware of the work and its importance. And our principal thanked to chief guest to being present there, and thanked to us all also to our work.
Very nice.